how to track Temu package with the tracking number. So let's get started. Now this will take you less than 2 minutes. The first things first, you have to launch the Temu app. You have to get logged into your account and then select the new section. In here you will see the first option, which is your orders. Open it, and likewise make sure that you are under all orders. Once you're under all orders, you will see all the orders there. If you are looking to track a specific order, you can also tap on the shipped or delivered option. Now, in case if you don't find the orders there, you will see a self-service to find orders. Select this self-service, and there you can either add your phone number or your order ID. Select order ID in order to find the order using your order ID. Then paste your order ID there. Select find order. As you do that, you will see your order right there. That is how you can solve your problem. So, hope you found this guide helpful.